Given is in YDSE, monochromatic light of wavelength is 600 nanometer. Incidence on slits as shown in figure. This is the figure given. If S1 and S2 equals to 3 millimeter, OP equals to 11 millimeter, then the now answer D equals to 3 millimeter, OP equals to 11 millimeters. Therefore, delta X is equals to D sin alpha plus D sin theta, which is equals to D alpha plus dy by capital D. Now, A part is delta X equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.36 divided by pi into pi by 180 plus 3 into 11 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1, which is equals to 3900. Now 3900 equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2, which implies n equals to 7. Delta X is equals to 3 millimeter into 0.36 divided by pi into pi by 180, which is equals to 600 nanometer. 600 nanometer equals to n into 600 nanometer. Therefore, n equals to 1 constant. Now alpha equals to 0 and delta X equals to 0. Therefore, constant.